what we got here is an entry-level hookup. Basically, it's 2.0, 2 amps, 4 speakers on the words, 4 speakers on the bass. Today we're gonna play a little bit of R&B and middle of the line music here, you know, and we can keep it like that. So we'll just go like this here. Let me see something. So nice, good, clear music. This is on my flash drives, also in the freeway music, so you can, you know, something that you can just flow to. No cuss words, no nothing like that, just right in the middle of the line. Non-offensive to nobody. There will be no window clicking when you're riding with this kind of music playing. 80s R&B, actually 80s rock and roll. Of course, while you're riding on the freeway, you always want to take the bass out of it. That way, don't need to. She don't remember Queen. And of course, when we want to go to a little bit of up-to-date music, that was in the 80s. You want to slide up here and hear that latest rap. Let me turn that TV off. Let's see what's going on here. See how that play on here.
All I ever wanted was a black grand national. Fuck being rational, give them what they asked for. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really stepped, but it's not enough. Say bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I make them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G pass. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the meat. Hey, P-Lo, tell them bring them bass back. I had to ask you the plan, a life you can never understand. Since way back when mama would hold my hand, crossing the half while I grew into a man. Broke a leg, relearn how to stand. Make this.
Also, if you're running 6x9s or anything inside the bag, and it's a king size tour pack, it pretty much blocks off the sound of what's coming out of those bags. When you have your bags off, oh, it's a whole different story. Trust me. That's why when you're sitting right here, it's not at its best as can be. You move to the back of the bike, you hear that. If the tour pack was not on that bike, they're gonna be saying, what we doing?
My niggas tryna block. This is a result when you give it all you got. Rick Fox always knew I had a shot. Big brand boys coming in hot, steaming. Fake AB, he got me gleaming. I hope he get shit feet going.
Pulling off slow from the curb, what we doing? Smoking on herb, that's superb, what we doing? Fucking off mine, now yearn, what we doing? If you ain't know, you need a line. If you know me, never underestimate the OG. Slid through the block in the drop with the Nato LR. I'm the cool nigga in the Kevlar, known for the kid-offs and still dropping bit-offs.
Once again, live and direct at Money Stereo Installation. That's MSI for the short. Let me know if that's what you need in your life. I got you. We out. On to the next one.